Is safety a luxury? Kommander offers enhanced safety for police officers. Tested and approved by industry experts, Kommander does not interfere with the airbag deployment system, which can turn equipment into deadly projectiles during a collision. The airbags retain their full effectiveness. Their frontal and lateral expansion are unobstructed by any means. Kommander is a unique purpose-built solution, respecting in detail all the safety norms as dictated by automobile manufacturers. The in-dash touchscreen is positioned in an ideal ergonomic location, while providing a safe and comfortable user environment. Kommander was able to sustain 25 G of pulling force during independent vehicle safety tests. The Kommander solution is based on scientific ergonomic studies and perfected using live in-field testing with collaborating agencies. The result? A swivel touch screen optimally positioned in the vehicle for officer safety. The 12-inch touch screen is molded as part of the vehicle dashboard. Kommander interactive application is specifically designed for police operations. The Kommander solution promotes a good sitting posture, minimizing torso and neck contortion, lowers distracted driving, and helps keep eyes on the road. Kommander is available for police package model vehicles and allows for a consistent in-cabin setup and user experience for all your police vehicle fleet. Kommander menu software is specifically designed with police officers in mind. No modifications of the original equipment or wire splicing is required using Kommander vehicle-specific harnesses. On the vehicle retirement, the original components can be reinstalled to stock condition. The integrated concept reduces the number of components to maintain. The remote diagnostic tool lets you proactively troubleshoot any vehicle issues and minimize vehicle downtime. Kommander. Safety is no luxury.